Hey friends, today, let's dive into the magical world of computers. Ever wondered what's inside your computer? Let's find out. First up, we have the monitor. It's like a TV screen that shows us what we're doing on the computer. Cool, right? Next is the keyboard. It's full of buttons called keys that let us type letters and numbers. Everyone loves pressing those keys. Then we've got the mouse. It's like a little animal that helps us point and click on things. Click, click. Now the CPU, or central processing unit. Think of it as the computer's brain. It does all the thinking and makes everything work. Speakers are next. They let us hear sounds like music, games, and videos. Turn up the volume. Headphones are just for you. Pop them on your ears to hear sounds without bothering anyone else. How about the webcam? It's a tiny camera that lets you video chat with friends and family. Say cheese. And the microphone? It captures your voice so you can talk in games or to your computer. Hello, hello. Storage is where all your files live. It's like a big box holding all your pictures, games, and videos. Neat, huh? The battery powers your computer when it's not plugged in. It's like a rechargeable energy pack. Touchscreen is super fun. You can touch the screen to do things just like magic. The power supply is what gives the computer its juice. Plug it in, and it's good to go. Ports are little holes where you can plug in other stuff like USB or HDMI. They connect your computer to other devices. And last but not least, the cooling fan keeps everything cool. It's like a little fan inside the computer to stop it from getting too hot. Woo! And there you have it. Now you know all about the parts of a computer. Thanks for joining me, and happy computing.